Hello everybody. In this class I'm going to discuss about another part of Java data structure that is known as map. Now in collection framework what we can do, we can only store values. For example, in array list you can store some set of names, you can store some roll numbers, you can store some marks, and later on you can retrieve those names and print them. But what happens in map? We can store a pair of values. Now what is the other values coming from? The other values that we are tagging along with these values is actually the identifier. We say it's a key. It's same thing like the primary key of RDBMS. Now what is the facility here? With using that key, I can later on retrieve that value. But that facility is not there in collection framework. You have to go through the entire collection framework to search your value. In this case, you are getting a distinct advantage. Use that key and just retrieve the value. It is much more time efficient. Let's see an example. Java gives us a ready-made class known as HashMap, which is actually an implementation of an interface which is map. We can create an object of HashMap by using that same Java object creation syntax using new. And you can identify what they are type parameter. The first type parameter is actually for the key. Okay. So here we maintain the data type for the key, and this is for the value. As I mentioned a few minutes back that it stores a key value pair. And then you are storing key and value here using a predefined method whose name is put. You are using roll number and the name of that particular student. Okay, so we are storing another key value pair, roll number and name. Now using the put, you can store n number of key value pairs, and then later on how to retrieve. For that we have a ready-made function get, where you pass value of a key that is already there. Like we have entered 1 and 2 and I am passing 2 here, and it is going to return the corresponding value, that is against 2 I have stored joy here, so it is returning joy, and if I print them it is going to print joy. Now there is a question, what if I send some value, some key which does not exist, suppose 4. You can see that we don't have 4 written here, we have stored only 1 and 2. Then what is going to return it? It is going to return a null value here. And if I try to print it here, it will print null. That's the idea of map. Thank you for watching us. For more videos like this, subscribe to our edtech channel victionary.net. Like, comment and share. Thank you.